Shamananda Prabhu. That's,
Madhurya Ras.
huh?
Madhurya Ras. Shamananda, Madhurya Ras.
Huh. Sometimes we see in the Babaji Maharaj in Jaiva Dharma, he sent Brajanath, you go to Puri, Dhyan Tat Goswami. Now you can learn more Rasa Tattva, he sent. So in this way, that is bona fide Guru's symptom. When you find that I am not possible, I am in Sakha Ras, Kibasara Ras, then my disciple is some taste in the higher Ras, Singar Ras, they will be sent there. Before it was the symptom, now no. You will be stay with me, you hear only with me, and you are my property. Gurudev told, disciple not property of you.
Krishna's.
The disciple property not in any guru. Guru property, disciple not. Disciple according guru will be sent. Okay, you wanted to, then you can go there. And that time they are all in a line. Understand? All this thing is that they are not only that very high class of that time is all. Now we have discussed already we have done Dasaras. And all the example giving by Bhagavatam. He told that Bhagavan with lotus feet or a holy place exists. All holy place उनको होता था. इसी करे ये भगवान को कहा जाता है तीर्थ पद. Where all holy Tirtha is the name. And so that Bhagavan who are hearing the Lord Katha, Hari Katha, heart become pure. If anybody become the das of that Lord, then he need anything more. He got everything. Das is not ordinary. We are thinking, no, das is how we don't want das. When Gurudev asked, oh my dear daughter and son, you are wanted to go Vaikuntha. They are together saying, no, Gurudev, we don't want it. We don't know. You wanted to go Ajodhya, no, Dwarka. Mathura, no. Braj. Gurudev Braj, but not in Dasya, Sakko, Basalo. Even Madhujana, we wanted to only Krishna, Radharani, Pallo, Dasya. Somehow this is, they are saying. Yeah? That is Gurudev make them this type of impression or something, seed, robe or git. Then Vaikuntha not easy place. It is not easy. Vaikuntha, we are saying no, Vaikuntha. Are Vaikuntha Gurudev himself told. We are thinking Vaikuntha nothing. Vaikuntha is ordinary not place.
The eligibility for it. Eligibility to attain it. What about that?
So that is Vaikuntha, no, Ajodhya, no. We want a Radhika Dasi. So Gurudev used to speak, when you will do Parikrama, Govardhan Parikrama, what your prayer will be? When you enter, you are beginning your Parikrama, your prayer will be, how I become Radharani Dasi. Hey Giriraj, I become Radharani Dasi. And when you will do Parikrama, Krishna will always follow to you. He will be Giriraj as Krishna, he always follow to you. He is saying, if you wanted some big palace, and they are making some stone, 3, 4, 5. If you wanted to some material, any boy, any girl, you are making the note of the dal, one branch, I want to marry. Then Krishna easily give any material thing you are doing parikrama and praying, I want this thing. I want it that the boy, girl may love me, I can marry him in this. And Krishna immediately give, and then he will be leaving to me. But when he is saying that you are asked, hey Giriraj, I wanted to I pray to you how I become the Radhani Dasi. He at last wait. Even in last point he waited. If you change your heart, immediately giving. But he told devotee very pakka, very much fixed. He don't want, I wanted to Radhika Dasi. Then after he had compelled to give. But mostly, Guru Maharaj one time told, when you do parikrama, what you pray? You pray how I become sincere Guru Das. Become Guru Das, but Vaishnav Das, then Guru Das, then Krishna Das, then Radharani Das. Not Radharani, not easy. And Radharani Dasi means not I have no love and affection on Krishna, I neglect Krishna. No. Radhika is Pran is Krishna. So Radhika Dasi. Hoy jodi abhimani, if you are ego coming, you are Radhika Dasi, so easy for attain the Krishna. Understand? So in this way we are discussed about the Dasarat, then Sakharas. Here is one word, what gathering, collecting that pious activity that make them friends. That Bhakti Saraswati Thakur bolo, why this word is there? Why there is a pious activity they collect so much that they become friends. Understand? Kito punno punja. Punja mane gathering. So here is what pious activity they have done. So gathering themselves that they have become so what there is no, here is not pious activity, not make any. But why this word is there? Because they are always staying with the Krishna. Always staying with the Krishna. For this thing, that like everything, what happened, how he is fortunate that he become like this. Like Bhishma, mane, obak hoke bola, what kicho punna punja, mane, you understand? Kito punja, punna punja, mane what type of pious activity together. So it is like a astonishing way asking. What they have done? They are always staying with the Krishna. They are always staying with the Krishna. Early morning, going to call them and get up their bed and hey, Kanaya, why are you sleeping? Get up, get up. They are making that type of. One time, one pastime we had, Krishna with the Sokhi, Radharani, dancing in a kunjo. Padma's Chandavari Sokhi have seen. They, Krishna doing pastime with the Radharani. So they are jealous because they are opposition party. So they are, Padma went to the Jyotila. Went to the Jyotila and told, you say your daughter-in-law very good, pure, chaste ready, no? Now you can go that place, you see they are playing the pastime. Hearing Jyotira with Jogmaya, Purnamasi accept and told you can come. You are saying, no, Radharani is very good, chaste ready. Chalo, we can swing. When they are coming, in the meantime, parrot of the Krishna, he give the news, Jyotira coming, be careful. Hearing Radhika become fearful, then somehow hiding, and then Subal looking like a Radhika. Subal make the dress and dancing, and then Jyotira showing, see, Purnamasi, now how he is playing with my daughter-in-law. They are coming, and then Jogamaya turned his bell. Oh, it is the Suval Sakha. So they are, everybody now so much chased. Hey Jyotira, you are giving the bad, it is the small. Then so our Jyotira becomes shy, feeling same and gone. How they help? Some Norma Sakha, Subal, Madhumangal, Siddha, they are helping Krishna and Radharani in some intimate pastime. One time our Krishna is so filled with him. But intimate in Kunjo never talk. Helping to any outside, in that like a Subal Sakha playing, dancing. In one time, Radharani and Krishna were not meeting each other 4-5 days, so feeling to separation. Subal saw that my Sakha is so separation mood, so sorrow. You don't fear, I can try to meet you with the Radharani. So he went the Jyotira house, where Jyotira and Kutira both are sitting in front of the door. They told Radharani, you not go to take the filling the water. I can arrange. You not get out from the house. Very strong guard. They are always sitting in the front door. So then see that Subal, Lolita, our Jyotira, hey, why you came here? Go. Well, no, mother, I came here. I lost my calf. So I thinking, well, how your calf coming? Well, maybe in your cow. Cutting time my cow also calf came to. I can go and check. Your cow said, well, yes, you can go and see and come quickly. But he not go, cow said. He went where the Radharani so lamenting to Krishna. He went and he told, you can dress, change. will be Radharani in the house and you can go. Make everything, dressing to his cloth and giving a new cap that cover his chest. And then both are going. Then Jyotira told, have you got your cup? Oh, yes, mother, you see, I am. In voice of Subal. And then went to where Krishna is waiting. Krishna saw Subal came back with no Radharani. He became so disappointed. And so, where is Radharani? Well, today not possible. Radharani not possible. I can arrange to meet you Chandaburi. If you say I can call Chandaburi, you are feeling so separation, you can meet. Hearing Krishna become faint. Then Radharani left his cup and in the way he take the Krishna somehow. He poised her hand, Krishna again got his consciousness and then them. So in this way, how they are helping. Subal, Siddham, Sapnaim, they help to meeting with the Radharani. So Sakha is so much. So Sakha is helping so much, so that is the Srimad Bhagavat Sukdev sometimes becomes surprising mood. What have they done? That Krishna have done. Krishna, they are get so much to Radha Krishna. The pain is so much fortunate. They are get the opportunity, always staying with the Krishna, always wanted to meet Radharani. In this way, helping. So Sakha is very Mahaprabhu here. This the Sakhara is our goal. It is our topmost goal. Then Mahaprabhu told, it is very good, but I wanted to hear more. ये उत्तम, but आगे कहो. Then Krishna Our Ramananda told Basar Ras, perennial mood is the topmost. Our goal. And that is giving the slok of Bhagavatam. In they are showing how one quality is another coming. In Dasarath, Santo fixed, mane Nishta, steadiness come in the Dasarath. Dasarath is mood of Seva and Nishta. And in the inside. And then Sokoro, three things present. Nishta, Momotto, and Seva, and then some intimacy. In Basura, more it is some lalon palon, nourishing. Instead I told. One slok in the Nanda Baba, Nanda Kimot Koran Brahmo, Sneho, Ebang Mohodayam, Jashodeva Muhabhaga Popu Jasa Stonang Hari. Nanda Baba, what he have done? Then Nanda Baba become father of the Krishna, Supreme Lord is father. Ishvara Parama Krishna Satchitananda Vigraha Anadir Adir Govinda Sarva Karana Karana. Bhagavan Krishna Anadi. No, he is original. No is nobody. In Anadi Adi origin. And he is the solve all causes of cause, he is. But that is, we are looking, Nanda Baba become father. Nanda Baba, what he have done? They become father of the Lord who have Anadir Adi Govinda. And Jasoda Mother, what he have done? How it gives greatness for her breast milk, or Krishna was drinking. Mahabhaga, what fortune! Our Jasoda Mother, he become mother and feeding her breast to the Krishna. So that is the one slok in the Basra. Another, Nema Birinchi na bhovo no si ongo pasta posado revide gopi jat papoti vibhuti kridan. सुखदेव बोला परीक्षित एक परीक्षित गोपी Jasoda that what type of his that he become mother, that Brahma have not got. She Bivinda Birinchi Nemo Birinchi no Bhovo. She Birinchi has not become this type of mercy. Even Lokmi Devi have not got. The what Mother Jasoda have done, that mercy, that they have Brahma, Birinchi, even the Lakshmi who was always staying the neck of the Krishna, in the chest of the Krishna, he have not got. But what that Mother Jasoda become mother? What type of? Because Krishna is so much controlled by mother. He have accept the mother when tight his hand, he have accept mother tightening. It is not possible to bind the Krishna, who have no limit. He is Brahma, he is no south, now no front, no back, no west, no east. He is the so Vishnu mane Vapnoti iti Vishnu. Understand? So how Mother Jasoda tight in hand, who have never body, you have no limitation. So how they come? The Brahma, even Mahadev have not got this. Why? Because Bhagavan told, I am always controlled according to the devotee devotion. How much devotion of devotee, that by this devotion, Krishna will be controlled by them. Bhagavan is always Bhakta Vatsala. He affection to Bhakta so much. That Gurudev is Shishya Vatsala. Gurudev was always by the disciple he become Vatsala, mane motherly, parental love, like this. In there he is giving Nanda and Jasoda. What they have done, they are what tapasya, what charity, what donation, what they have done. So that time our Sukdev give a story. One time Drona and Dhara, two Jeev, they have done koto tapasya, strong tapasya, 1,000 years. Understand? And then they are tapasya to Brahma, no Vishnu. Understand? They have done Brahma. When Brahma appeared, they told, Brahma wanted to give what you want, I wanted to fulfill your desire. They told Brahmaji that we want that Bhagavan become our, two Bhagavan, and we are become Vatsalya mood. Gurudev told Brahma is not no Vatsalya mood, but he is giving, yes, okay, that will be. Brahma they give that you are get the Vatsalya mood to Bhagavan. And other hand, Devaki and Vasudev done Sutapa and Krishna. They have also Jeev. They have done to strong tapasya to Vishnu. When Vishnu come, they told Prabhu, we want like you, my son. Like you, my son. I want a son like you. Bhagavan thinking, like me, nobody. So I must be become. So they are become son. But Gurudev told, Dhara and Drona not eternal mother father. That time Dhara and Drona entered in the Nanda Baba and Jasoda. And taste. After Krishna Lila, they become liberated and they become staying under the guidance of the Jasoda Nanda Baba. But they are in the Jasoda, inside they are to enter and taste the Vatsalya mood. And Sutapa Krishna also like. Three life are come as Kopildev and Vamandev, and then third is the, in Kongso Karagar, he appeared in a 16-year-old boy with a full dress. Why? Because if now Devaki not understand or Sutapa don't understand Vasudev, so he appeared and told, you pure prayer I become. But he not take bath, he appeared. And then Pastor, 1 year, 1 hour, what the name of the, he told, I don't want it to pray to Shruti, Smriti that told the Krishna is our Supreme God. I don't want to do worshipping that Krishna. All we are fearing for our death. We are Bhavavita. Again taking bath and again dying. In this pair we are always suffering. and so our Ved, Shruti, Smriti give you always worshipping Krishna, Lord. Then you can free from the birth and death circle. Anybody can do, hearing the instruction of Shruti, Smriti, Krishna bhajan. But I don't wanted to do Krishna bhajan. I wanted to do Nanda Baba. Because Nanda Baba, Kotiya, that Krishna are now playing. Shruti Smriti Mother Bharat to Bharan to Bhava Gita. Kintu I wanted to do bhajan Nanda Baba because he has become father of that Supreme Lord, and how he is the control by Nanda Baba. Nanda Baba order, bring my shoe, bring this thing. And she has so strong belief when there one assembly after the whole lifted Govardhan, when again Krishna keep it, then one Upananda Prabhu, Upananda, elder brother of Krishna, Nanda Baba, make a conference. And that conference, they are called also Nanda Baba. All Brajavasi, old senior citizen there. Then Upananda Prabhu, Upananda told, Nanda, you must be very careful. Your son not an ordinary boy. Just you see, before you are killing so much demon. Okay, now you show 7 days, 7-year boy, our lifting Govardhan in his left hand. What do you think is ordinary boy? We heard your wife always tight his hand, sometimes twist his ear, so many. Never do. And you ask, bring my shoe, bring this thing. No, it is not your ordinary boy. You must be respect and honor this boy. Nanda Baba hearing and make very loudly laugh. But it is true. We heard in the scripture, Gwala, mane cow-headed boy, person, am not get mature, intelligent in 80-year-old. When 80-year-old, they are still unmature. They are not mature, that intelligent. You are saying like that. My son is, any sign you have seen my son, that he is Bhagavan. Any Bhagavan stolen anything? Or he is the famous butter thief. Have you seen any Bhagavan stealing? Or are stealing? And have you seen anywhere Bhagavan become angry? High, exalted Bhakta devotee not become angry, not greed, not stolen. So how you see the Bhagavan Krishna? If you are saying Krishna Bhagavan, then how we are stealing, how we are speaking to lie, always lie. Yesterday I told that story that Krishna, mother, in his red hand caught the Krishna. Hey Krishna, तुमने माखन खायो? Krishna told, no mother, I have no, abhi माखन नहीं खाया. But mother, he are giving, mother, I am going early morning, Madhuban, cow gathering, you have sent me, then how in evening time I come and I am so tired, I sleep. When I get chance to take your makham. My mother today not hear any call, any. He told, yes, you have taken. He told mother, first you think you are hanging all the butter in so high way. Every gopi also, not you. Then now I am going their house and stealing butter. You see my arm is so small, how can I arrive, my hand can reach there. But mother not hearing any call. He are telling, then he at last told, mother, I understand I am not your son. Before one day Brahmandogat, boy are telling you are not real son of the Nanda Baba and Jasoda. Because they are fair correction, you are so black. So you are no. Then I am now going to the forest forever. I never come back. I now give me my black blanket and my stick, I am now going. Then Maharaj immediately embracing and take, no, you have not taken कन्हैया तुमने माखन नहीं खाया और कन्हैया again मैं नहीं माखन खायो माया मेरी मैं नहीं माखन खाया. People is telling आपने नहीं taken, but now मैं नहीं, I am taken. This is the pastime. So beautiful pastime in the so many pastime. So many pastime is there. So now so then when Krishna left that place, Mathura went. Then Yashoda Mata not wanted to allow to go. He hiding Krishna under the bed. But Nanda Baba again and again promised, I give you what, Yashoda, I am taking today, tomorrow, and next day I will bring your son back. And Krishna and Baladev also told, Maya, you don't fear, we will come back after one day. So, Ma Yashoda, what will we do? If their son wanted to go, then allow to go. And then what happened? After killing of Ravan, Nanda Baba waiting when Krishna and Balaram were coming. But not coming. 2 days passed. Father Nanda is very anxious. What I will be do now? Then one evening, our Baladev and Krishna come in evening time, hiding away. And they are, Nanda Baba see them, he told, I am waiting for you so many days. Now you are ready to go to Vrindavan. Then he told, yes, Father Krishna told, Baba, yes, I am now ready. So one thing I am thinking, your brother Vasudeva lost so many sons, and then at that Baladev Prabhu is son. So I think Baladev Prabhu can stay, we can go. Baladev Prabhu told, no, Kanhaiya, that is, without you I cannot stay. I also go too. Well, no, Father, Vasudeva is so much sad and sorrow. If we are going, it is not good. So now there is conversion going on. Baladev totally told, I cannot stay without you. Then Nanda Baba, Krishna told, Baba, one thing. Now I can stay some day with the Baladev, and then we will go to back again Vrindavan. Nanda Baba could not say anything. How possible if Krishna is staying here? I already promised Yashoda I will bring back. Then when he had no point, then he had go alone. Gurudev they told that two prakoshta, two place. One chariot, Nanda Baba with very sorrow heart returning. And one prakoshta, Krishna come back with the Nanda Baba. When chariot come in the door of the, and Yashoda is in outside sitting, my son will come, my son will be come. He not enter house. My son will come, then I will go. Without my son, I cannot enter. Then when Nanda Baba came down, and Yashoda looking, where my son? Where my son? He going. that is Pulokat, and find, no, my son, there is so huge of ornament, cloth. Then he come and told, where is, you sold my son in and bring this all ornament and all that good cloth? Where my son? I understand you sold my son in the and in saying he entered the room and turned his face toward the wall, lie down, I not see anybody. When Krishna will come back, I will see. Krishna must come, because he never speaks lie. He told, I will come, must become. So in so long time passed, when Uddhav came, past time Uddhav came to pacify. Because Krishna after come back in the Gurukul, Sandipuni Muni, when they are standing on the roof of the palace, where the Jamuna is blowing, floating. Jamuna making that sound, hey, Kanaya, you are so ungrateful. That is kalkal sound coming from the Jamuna, that is telling Krishna is so ungrateful. All the Brajavasi without you, they are dying. And you are not going there. Hearing Krishna weeping so much. Uddhav looking, where my friend, where my friend? Looking and see that Krishna is weeping so bitterly, all the tears coming. Don't see the Uddhav, he took the Uddhav hand to his hand and told, Krishna told, hey Uddhav, you are my dearest, you are my minister, you are my consul, you are my everything, minister. So you must be go, give the pacify my mother, father. They are so feeling separation for me. Our Uddhav thinking, without Krishna I cannot alive. How can I go Vrindavan? Krishna then understand his mind. He told, you are thinking of separation, you go to Vrindavan, you see, not I am here. Partly I am, fully I am Vrindavan Dham, Braj. And then he gives so much knowledge, and then our Uddhav put a big bundle on his back and going to that same Akur brought that chariot, golden chariot, that chariot, Krishna make him like his dress, his Baijanti Mala, all his ornament, his pitambar, everything, putting in the Krishna, Uddhav body. And then Uddhav looking like a Krishna. Uddhav looking like a Krishna. Then when the Rath is going, chariot going, and evening time when Nandagaon, that time Krishna just showing Uddhav, when I was in the Braj, how Braj was shining. All the light, everywhere, bathe, all the scripture, Brahman is chanting so much. Everybody, every cow said, everybody is so busy to come milking. Somebody has to bring the pot, somebody take that. All gopi beautifully dressed, passing the road. Very pleasure, very beautifully when Krishna was there. 5 minutes showing and again showing how now all are black, all are lamenting position, no light, nothing, sound. Even the Nanda Baba house full of dark. Phone door was not open. That time a servant saw a chariot come, must be Mathura, and one royal person look like a Krishna. Then he give the news Nanda Baba. Somebody came in the Mathura. Then Nanda Baba opened the door, welcome our Uddhavji. Uddhavji sitting, and Uddhavji sitting and looking the room full of makri, full of spider. Even kitchen is so dirty. Krishna went after no kitchen, no cooking. Whom they are cook? Krishna is not whom, for whom they will be cooked. And there is and Uddhav showing that Krishna, Nanda Baba called sitting a place, and then he wanted to ask how my son Kanhaiya, but he has not, remembering name of the Krishna, his voice become choked. He cannot utter the name of Kanhaiya. Then he told how my brother Vasudev Prabhu, how Devaki, even he asked Baladev Prabhu. But Krishna Nam, when somehow he had forcibly wanted to speak, how Krishna keep on weeping so much. Tear rolling, and he could not speak. And Uddhav looking, I came to pacify to Nanda Baba. But what pacify? Every scripture give instruction, if you cry, you must be cry for Krishna, Supreme Lord. If anybody have any son, anything have passed ahead, then we are saying, no, you don't cry for your children, that is the children is not, they are perishable. If you are cry, you cry for Krishna. We are giving instruction. The Uddhav see that I came to him to not to cry. But they are cry for Krishna. Now how can I say that don't cry? Your scripture always give instruction, if you cry for Krishna. But they are cry for Krishna, how I can say you don't cry? And I came to pacify, then I can say you cry more and more. What I will do? He is so intelligent, he is the disciple of Brihaspati demigod Gurudev, Brihaspati ji. But he cannot find any word, what type of word I can console. And so much weeping. So then he told, somehow you are make a find solution. He told, hey Nanda Baba, you are so fortunate. You are so fortunate. Whom you think your son is, not only your son, it is the Supreme Lord, Krishna. You are so fortunate, God, not your son. As a Bhagavan came here as a son. You are so fortunate. In this way, he give 5 minutes some knowledge, tattva. Why you are so feeling? Krishna is everywhere. Krishna in your heart. Krishna is Supreme Person, he is everywhere. Why you feeling so much sad and lamenting? Then Nanda Baba hearing, after when he finished his lecture, then Nanda Baba told, Uddhav, I thought you are with the Krishna, you have some intelligence you have. Now I say you are number one foolish person. Fool. You are fool. You are address me, I am fortunate. How I fortunate? That you are told also that my son, not only son, my Bhagavan, he is also Supreme Person of Godhead. Then I lost my son and also lost my Bhagavan also. Like I give example, a poor person got a rotary touchstone and anything, understand? But he think it is only a stone, understand? He put that time his one plane was so, that stone. After some day he come back and ask, friend, that day the stone you got, where the stone? It was not ordinary stone, it was the touchstone, Chintamani, Pashamani, touching stone. Then man told, I don't know, my son playing with this stone, maybe that's lost. When he understands this is not an ordinary touchstone, I lost the stone, I am poor, I am lost. then he became so lamenting. Like you are telling, my son, not a son, is Bhagavan. In this way, he more began to Nanda Baba weeping so loudly. He told Krishna, Uddhav, you know, sometime I went to relax my mind to Jamuna, bank of Jamuna, and then my mind become more heavy everywhere. Sometime I go to Govardhan, more heavy heart become, because all the sign of Krishna, everywhere Krishna. I cannot forget. Always Krishna is always coming. So what will we do? In this way, whole line Krishna or Uddhav cannot possible to pacify. So Uddhav is so knowledgeable person, he cannot to give some pacify mother, father, what he will be pacify is the gopi. So Nanda Baba is not, this is they are all the thinking that Krishna must, when told you must be, Uddhav, mother, father told Nanda Baba, you know Uddhav, my life coming outside, in near the throat, wanted to coming out. But I somehow put in my life, possibly inside. Life become always wanted to come out. But I put, because I know Krishna, one day Kanhaiya must become. And when he not find me, then he will be, if I die, then Krishna will be asked, father, mother, Maya, where is my papa? Then Mother Yashoda will be tell, your papa have died in your separation. He left his body. Then my son will be so sorrow, he will be feeling so sorrow in heart for thinking I not die. So that type of love. So this is the Gurudev also told, when your father mother told, your father अब पधार गया, तब बहुत दुखी हो जाएगा, मैं जहीं कहीं मैं रहूँगा, उसके दुख को जाऊँगा. तो after my death, my son will be unhappy, sorrow. For this thinking, he cannot left his body. तो ऐसे बासुर रस हैं. कैसे in supreme personality of Godhead thinking my son Gopal, and he had Krishna, to his love he also become Gopal. You have accepted this. So in this way our Basura was finished. Tomorrow I will go Kanto Bhav, beloved mood is the more. Any question?